that for curry chicken. Tune in. Subscribe to each other. People know that fab pot. Alright. Yeah man, put some fab on it. Yeah, you're gonna put it on the fire now. Look. Ready. Right there. Alright, make it set properly. Yeah, I throw some oil in that now my people. And then we throw the curry in it. Fry it up. Throw the chicken in it. Stay tuned. Subscribe to each channel. Fully hot. Right here we got some vegetable oil. Let's throw a little in it. Alright, now that we got our oil in, we're gonna wait for it to hot, then we throw the curry in it. Okay? Subscribe to the channel, my beautiful people. Now that our oil is fully hot, my people, we're gonna throw some curry in it. Yeah, look at the curry now. Now it's time for the curry. Look at it. Yeah. Okay, my people. Don't want it burn up. Eat the fire high. I don't want it burn up like the last time. So I'm gonna take it off a little second and put it right here. And I'm going to put the meat in it. I don't want the curry to burn and get black. The fire is so hot. Fire right there and see me cook on the stone right there. Yeah. Fire hot. Ready. Look on it. Beautiful. Yeah. I don't want it burn up, you know, people. Too much fire will burn it up, you know. Okay. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, look at that. Yeah man, big up all the Jamaican blogger them, you know. Real one them, wanna know yourself. Okay, comment and let me know what you think, okay? Yes, my beautiful people. That is it. But look there. Alright. Still a steam or cool down here. Yeah, record going right there, so beautiful. Yeah man. Don't want to burn up, you know, my people. Yeah man, like the last time. Yeah man, check out my video man. You see last time all the fat chopping out the pot. Yeah, I saw the cooking thing but you have to learn from your mistake. Yeah man, subscribe to the channel, my beautiful people. Smell that, you can smell the aroma. Yummy, really hard man style. Yeah man, big up on the USA subscriber them man. The Indian subscriber them. Okay. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Them my lifestyle is here. Fully active my people. Alright. That is it. Okay my people, now that it gets a little golden brown, yeah, we're going to throw the rest of the season on it. Alright. Yeah. That the rest is killing on time on the natural season. Yeah. Sturdy. Fire still red. Yeah man. Yard man cooking this now my people. Yeah man, them our lifestyle channel, okay. Yeah man. Hey, look at that. It's gonna be so nice and yummy. That is it. Now that we got water. Hot. Yeah, we're gonna throw the water on it now. Alright, look on that. Yeah man. Slippers and socks around the fire, okay. Yeah, watch it for stir it up. Yeah, man. Real man cooking this, okay. Curry chicken and dumpling. Yeah man, make that cook down and then we're gonna share and eat. Okay? Alright. Subscribe to the channel. You know that curry chicken I cook? I'm gonna check what I go on. That is it. Mm. Yes, my people. It's going, it's going, it's going. Yeah. Real hard man thing. Yeah, man. Curry chicken, my people. Original way on open flames. Give it a little stir. Look at that. Yeah. 10 more minutes to go, or 15 more minutes to fully cook. Yeah, man. Till it's tender. Yeah, and then we're gonna have some feasts right here. We're gonna feast with it. Okay? Subscribe to the channel. Pup. Come here. Come. Pup. I wonder one day easy right there, so. Yes, some people let it go and simmer down. Yeah, that is it. Real Jamaican yardman style. Right on at the Noni Chi, my people. Look at that. Puppy are going chill out this, you know. Yeah. Pup. Yeah. Yeah, man. Curry chicken right this up on the fire. Yeah, look at that. Hot. Look at that. Fully up now, my people. Yeah, man. Ready. Finally finished. Yeah. Take it off now. It's fully dried down. I don't want to go down no more. Curry chicken. Yummy. Take it off now, my people. Yeah, man. Subscribe to the channel. On the fire, my people. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Still can cook some more food. You see it? Red. Look on it. Fully cooked. Fully cooked. Look at that. Yeah, man. Look at that, my people. Real original curry chicken. Yeah, man. Catch me and feast on this, my people. Okay? Yeah, so I go through now and share out my portion in this, leave for my subscriber. Them. Yeah, man. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. That is it. The fire still ablaze. On that. Subscribe to the channel. Really hard man cooking. Yeah, man. Go through and share out now, okay? Yeah. Piece of yam here. Flour here. Catch me eat this. And that I go on my people, my man. I'm shelly down now, my people. Beautiful. Real curry chicken. Cornmeal dumpling right there, so. Plain, yum. Yummy. Nice, my people. Nice. Young people. Look at it. Delicious. See, young people. So delicious. Yeah. So I just I go through, mash up this. Go and tune in. Until next time.